Volcano Pacaya now. It's a 3,500 metre walk up to a height of 2,400 metres, and we started at 1,800 metres today. Vertical of 600. There's a little walk around the rim. Hey. And then if I've got my breath back by then, I'll talk to you a bit more about the lava.
I think, but I'm not sure.
Is the gravy coming out yet? He's sipping that beer out from last night.
Yes, well, I'm trying very hard not to mention anything about a hangover or beer because
the parents won't be happy.
Our parents seem to think we're continuously partying. It's not our fault every day's a Friday.
And every hour is 5 o'clock somewhere.
Yeah.
Moving there. Don't throw it, yeah. It's hot.
It's pretty hot. Getting ready for our walk back down.
Yeah.
With no flashlight.
We got light now.
Yeah.
I have to say, this is one of the spectacular things I've seen so far, and just another reason to make Guatemala a very special place. So I've enjoyed it very much. Look at it now, it's beautiful.